just came down here to the truck. I've been walking and I had gotten a shower and I am fixing to go. I'm about to go to the doctor. It's about 9:30. I have a 10:15 doctor's appointment. I went on my walk this morning. I got in the shower and I came down to the trailer and this was still at the house. Here is the old one that's messed up, and this was still at the house. So he's underneath there welding without a helmet. Now that ticks me off, folks. It does. So he had come down here. We had just made a video. About his new helmet. Just made a video this morning. And he came on down here to the trailer and he's got his welder going and he's underneath there welding. There's a culprit helmet that's messed up. I'm not too happy. I'm not too happy with him. I don't even know if he knows that I'm down here. He's up underneath there welding without a helmet. But he was just talking about having welder's eyes. He was just talking about it. So when I got out of the shower and was going to head down here and I noticed the new helmet was still at the house, it really upset me. Yes, I do get upset with Stephen Howard. He's oblivious to the fact that I'm here. I can smell that metal. I can smell all of that. Did you forget something at the house?
Yeah, I forgot the welder.
Yep.
The welding helmet.
Yep, I know, it's in my hand.
Also, I need some batteries.
Some batteries.
Batteries right here. About headed.
Double A's.
3 of them.
3 double A's.
Yeah, I forgot this.
So how have you been protecting yourself?
Grinding. So I've been busy grinding, haven't got started welding yet.
Oh, praise the Lord. Oh.
Well, here's the helmet. I wouldn't be welding without the helmet.
Well, I praise the Lord. Praise the Lord.
I've been grinding. There's been hundreds of tons of weld here. This won't work, so.
I thought you were down there,
show y'all here. I got enough light, my battery's dead.
I'm gonna go get you some batteries. Wait, double A? Double A?
You saw them, Ruthie? I think they're double A. Anyway, see all the weld that I'm having to grind off? And that's the shock tower, shock mount. If I can get focus back out, right there. welded in the wrong spot. So you see that big bend right there, right? That's probably because the shock was loose and it got caught under that tower when it was coming down, bit the crap out of it. So, and it's also nicked that bag a little bit, but I don't think it's leaking there. I'll put a rag around it when I start welding and keep it from yeah, you see all that slag and all that stuff I'm trying to grind off. That's what I've been working on, get that ground off. That shock is no good. I don't think these shocks are very good, none of them. And you can push it down with your pinky. But anywho, so yeah, I got to get that completely ground down some more, and got a lot of it off. It was really, really bad, and thought I was a bad welder. That's pretty bad. And then the next step is I'm gonna have to take that off and go through it and see if it's got rust or something built up in it to keep it from clicking. It has to click. If it doesn't click, then you know it's not working. So, and I don't find anything manually wrong with it, then I'll have to replace it. So, those things are $600 to $1,200. Hopefully that doesn't happen. And then, you know, the welds don't look so grand going up the side there, but anyway, so I just got to go through here and make sure my welds are good. I wasn't anticipating having any weld issues, but I guess on an old trailer like this, there's not such a pretty weld right there. Maybe they aren't original axles or something. I don't know why they would be working on the towers. Who knows? So Ruth went to go get me some flashing lights and flashlight batteries, because mine are about dead, and I'll finish grinding that up and get it welded up, and I can get back at it. So I had a full bottle of antifreeze bust in here. Man, it was what a mess. I had to drill a hole right there. Still some floating in there. Glad it wasn't water, it was antifreeze. At least that way you don't have to worry about anything rusting. So my project today, the generator that's on this APU does really well. It's been handling them grinders and welders no problems. So we'll get this old trailer back together and get her on the road. I saw some fairly decent paying loads coming out of Illinois going down to Texas. I really don't like Texas because it's hard to get a load out of there that pays. Man, that's just the way it is everywhere you go. But I got to try something, do some regional stuff. I'm going to try that. I hadn't been doing that for many years. Try some regional stuff out, because the long haul stuff hasn't been working for me. Talk at you later.
Alright, well, I made it back with the batteries. I made it back with the AA batteries. We just live right around the corner. Well, I'm glad that you were grinding and not welding, because
I would have went back and
so you just need to put the old batteries in that bag. That's why. That's why I brought you a bag.
Some cheap batteries.
Well, that's all I had. I mean, I had I didn't have any Energizers. I had Dollar General store batteries. Well, I mean, Steven,
Ruthie, can I finish even talking? You're not going to last very long.
no, they're not Energizers or copper tops. They're just Dollar General store batteries.
That's better.
All right, so
You might be able to see the slag getting in your ass.
so this is the defunct helmet with the thing that went bad on it, and that's the new one.
Got some slag in my eye.
All right, well, I gotta head on to town. I know you can't record yourself welding because you can't hold a camera and weld too, so anyhow. Gotta go, Steven. Don't let the sun get on your water too bad, so.
Alright. Man,
Love you.
something in my eye. I can't get it out. I tried washing it.
Uh-oh.
Alright, love you too. See you later.
Okay, love you. You want to hit pause?
Just turn it off.
Love you, Steven.